Okay, this is Dustin Wiebold, and I am going to demonstrate how to use iAuditor from your smart device on site while performing an inspection or a walkthrough. So we're going to go ahead and get the app started, and we're going to choose the template. This one is a weekly walkthrough, and we're going to start inspection. The date should auto-populate. Who it's prepared by, you can change that if you need to. For location, you can click on the pin and it will geolocate you. Go ahead and click on Use. Hit Next. Upon arrival, is the driveway clear of snow and ice? If you click Yes, it will document it as yes, but if you click No, you see that it notifies the person who's set to receive the notification. In this case, for this test, it is me. So it'll notify somebody immediately upon an answer of no or fail, however we build the template. Is the walkway to the front door clear of snow and ice? We're going to click no here as well, but I don't have that one set to notify me because it's not as much of a priority as the driveway is. We're going to click Next. Are doors secure? This one is a yes, no. So we click on yes and check mark. We're going to click Next. And as we come in the front door at the top of the walkway at the front of the house, we're going to start with the half bath. Run hot and cold at sink. View under vanity. Pass. Flush toilet. Did it stop running? Pass. We're going to go on to the next room, the kitchen. Run hot and cold at kitchen sink. View under sink. Pass. Dishwasher door ajar. Yes. And we're done with the kitchen, so we click Next. Then we go to the south porch. Is the door secure? We're going to say yes. And then that room is complete, so we'll move on to the next. And as we come out of the sun porch, or the south porch, we see a thermostat on the wall. And we're going to take a reading at that thermostat, and it is 66. Does reading match set point? Well, we're going to take a quick look here and show that we can take a picture. So we're going to add photo. And here is our thermostat. And it matches the set point. So we can take a picture at any time and add that to any portion of this walkthrough inspection. We're going to click Next and go to bedroom 1 and just do a visual check on bedroom 1. Does everything look like it did last week? Then we go to the hall bath. Run water at shower for 1 minute or more. There's a check mark because there's not really much to view other than just run the water. Run water at tub for 1 minute or more. Check mark. Run hot and cold at sink. View under vanity. We're going to say pass. And then this is as far as I have the template built for this time. And we're going to mark it as complete. And then view and export report. So it's going to allow us to view the report. So the date, inspection score, we'll see that there are a couple failed items, 2 items that give us that inspection score of 91.67. Conducted on, date and time, who it was done by. the location just to make sure that it was done there. Kind of gives a summary of the failed items. And then it goes through and this is the report. And here is a media summary. And now we're going to send. Takes a moment to prepare. And we're just going to send it via Gmail. The inspector is myself. So we'll say that's the from. To, we're just going to say for this test, it's Liberty Home Improvements. Oh, well, there we go. And there is the email that goes out. Then we go back to save and close, and that inspection is complete.